This is a recording on the 20th of the 5th, 2016. Recording of a Barr student telling me that he's been shut down by a judge and other lawyers. Okay, just going in.
So that'll pick up.
Matt.
Joe, mate, here you go. Yeah, good. I'm just giving you a kick of tires. Yeah, there we go.
Matt?
Oh, yeah, mate.
James, yeah, how's it going, buddy? It's been hard. I've had a lot of heat on me, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got stuff alright? All that stuff? Mate, I've got other stuff. Who can we get it to? It's going to actually, this other stuff's big shit, mate.
The problem is that when I spoke with Jen last night, is that as far as they're concerned, the investigation's closed.
No, this is a new one, mate.
It's a new one.
Yeah, it's other. You would have seen all. I told Alice to tell you to go through it. You've seen all the blood.
No,
Oh,
as far as I'm concerned, I wouldn't say it.
Right. Well, he's.
I'll just pass it on because
Once she sees it.
really couldn't jeopardise my law degree.
Yeah. How you going with that?
Yeah, good, mate.
Good on you. See, what I've done is I've put in the ones that actually haven't been charged. Doing the blood, and there's probably another 60 of them. And, you know, I've had big stuff, mate. I've been locked in my house for 24 days. I've been trying to get to the Governor General because they've been stopping me with the evidence. And, yeah, it's big stuff, mate. But I've got, you know, this is going to be another investigation. You know, it was covered up before.
Yeah.
And, you know, the point is, I said too, is why didn't Jennifer come and see me? Because I had to let them come to me. Because I handed it over too much to the wrong cops. You know what I mean? So I had to wait until the right people come to me.
Yeah.
That's why, in the funny, I came here and saw you and next thing you connected.
Yeah.
But timing was wrong. And that's why I put out over my Facebook, I said, all the police that was going to get it, if you haven't got it, it's not the right timing.
Yeah.
Because it's been going, look, I've lost so much stuff.
Yeah.
Because it's gone in the wrong place and they've covered it up. So. Yeah. But maybe that had to go, and then when they look at it this time, they go, oh my God.
I hope so.
You know, because if we have another inquiry, we get rid of everything, don't we? Does that make sense? What did you do?
I fell off.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'm shitting everywhere.
Oh, wow.
They just came out of class.
Yeah, wow. Hey, so how long you got to go with your law? Yeah.
I got another 2 weeks to go,
Yeah. So, you know, isn't it really hard that I haven't even been able to get a lawyer, mate?
Yeah.
They've shut the door on me.
No, I'll touch it.
No, because it's too big. And then, you know, the stuff I've got is the keys, everyone. I'm not talking about the Graham people, I'm talking about the board members. Race, training dogs in other names, race rigging, wrong dogs winning. This is big. You know, I've got video, I've got audio, I've got everything of it. I've got interviews from the owners saying they've trained 50 dogs for the board, the Racing Queensland board members. And see, I've been in the industry for, you know, a lot of years, and I've got, you know, I know them all. you know. But, I was in there to clean it up. I'm sick of seeing it and killing animals.
Because I was
shooting great.
because the last pot that you gave it ages ago, I got a tap on the shoulder, and they said the lawyers and they said to me, don't just leave it, don't have anything to do with it.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
They said if you ever want to pass the bar, they know you.
They know how big it is, so God.
And they told me to stay out of it. They told me, gave me a big tap on the shoulder.
Isn't that? Oh.
So.
And what was that, the lawyers?
So that tells me that
how big it
that what it's got is real.
It is real, mate.
So that's why.
Yeah.
So
I understand.
Extremely careful on the way I get it to them.
Yes.
Like Jen said, she's not even involved with it.
Yes. All right. So, Matt, how do we do it? Where I just need you as a drop-off point?
Well, that's
discreetly.
Yeah, I'm sort of. I'm waiting to find.
So how high up did it come? How high up?
A judge.
A judge. So, right, that's why they...
A retired Chief Justice of the West Australian Court, actually, a retired Chief Justice, actually said to me, don't get involved.
Which one was that? What was his name? Because I know a couple. Just one where I spoke to him.
Yeah, so they they told me to stay out of it.
Wasn't Mark?
No.
What was his first name?
It was an older name. Anyway.
Yeah, why did they say? Because that's true, right?
Yeah, they didn't say anything about that. They just that's what I jumped to. I jumped to. So
And that's why the judges and all the lawyers high up won't touch it. But I even know.
Everyone's, like me, everyone's scared of their family and their career.
Yeah, and they know what they've done to me.
They know what's happened. Well, they all get that as soon as, they knew.
I've got nowhere to live now.
Really?
Mate, I'm on the street.
Really?
Oh, they tried to shut my work down. They've done a good job, but the thing is, I've gathered all the evidence, and I can prove it. But I mean, I just need a good detective or something who's not corrupt that's going to open it up. And you work it out, right? If I put so much evidence up on Facebook, if it was not true, wouldn't I go for defamation?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and who was the first person who ever been on with defamation was me, self-represented. So they know that I don't put nothing up unless it's true. And when I put something up, I get it signed by JP to say it's true. In other words, if that's not true, you can have me. And that's what scares them. You know, in the law, it's always the truth that scares them. You know? But, I thought it was coming from a judge. The judge, you know? So that's West Australia. Isn't that amazing? Because I sent stuff over there. I sent stuff to the high courts to show them that it was true. And they send me back.
My dad was in the government for a long time. He was director of operations for ASIO.
Yeah.
And so, they basically said, your family is my brother's associate. He's a diplomatic liaison officer in Germany now. So, my sister's a cop in Victoria. I'm the only one who didn't serve. And they said, with your family, you think you'd have some more experience. That's what they said.
Yeah. Isn't that wrong, mate?
Yeah.
Here I'm out of blowing it open, stop the corruption and all that, for the betterment of everybody. Isn't that what it's all supposed to be?
Yeah, but they're more interested in looking after themselves. It's too much of it.
Inside corruption. Paper bag money.
Thank you.
So, mate, you can see why I say public phone, haven't been there, you know, because I know how it works, mate. I know how high up it is, and I know everything about it. They started it. They got the Cairo board on me saying about the word used, and I beat them in court in 2007. Then they put up a document saying I was found guilty by the courts, and you Google me, they'd come up saying, oh, people wouldn't use me. And I found the document, went back and sued them for defamation. I'm the first person to ever beat them. And all I've ever done is out there save an animal. It's crazy, mate. It's what it's, you're supposed to get into the law as lawyers to change it for the better.
What's like a politician's way, they're supposed to go and represent people, but they don't do it.
No, well,
corporation.
Well, I sent evidence to every senator in Canberra. Sent evidence to every MP in Australia. I sent evidence to every police sergeant in Victoria, New South Wales and Queensland. I've got it out there to let them know that it's true. And they're all saying this needs to be dealt with in the Queensland Crimes Commission. They sent me a letter back and said they're not even going to look at that. Because Racing Queensland had a couple of board members sitting on the board. What's his name? Bennett. His wife Susan was on the board of the CMC. Danny Ryan told me that she's on the board, and Michael Burns, you know Michael Burns, that his partner was in the CMC. And Danny Ryan said that Terry Watson went to the board, Clyde the board to get him after me, and they were going to open up a false inquiry on me, which they did. And that's what I wanted. I just wanted my name clear. Because I won't lie down. They know I won't lie down. You just can't take everything off in here. Like every person in this world, you can't walk over, mate. And I'm one of them. You know, I'm there for justice, and I'm there for good people. And I'm not against the cops or that. Not the good ones. Yeah. The cop ones, can't stand them. You know, and and the thing is, what I've had to do is they think I'm associated with bikies. I'm not. You know what I do? When they're driving along the road, I jump in behind them. So if anyone's following me, they always see bikes in front of me. That's the only safety I can give. I've had to use my phone. I wonder what else we can do, mate. Can I get some more? Here, to get to Jennifer? Oh, doesn't want it. All right, so what are we going to do with her? Oh, he's with me. He's just protecting me, yeah. Yeah. No, we're just saying that Matt's doing law on your animals. And that was just saying that he's told to back off by a judge from West Australia, right, mate? He's a good mate, mate. Chief Justice. Yeah, mate. Yeah, so Matt can't.
Gave me a tap on the shoulder. Actually, they said if you ever want to pass the bar with your family history, because my dad's actually director of operations for ASIO. My brother's a diplomatic liaison officer in Germany. They said with your family history, you think you know better if you're smarter than that. All this sort of stuff. If you ever want to pass the bar?
Yeah. Yeah. So maybe Jennifer doesn't like
that. Don't want it. But what she did say is that she said that she would speak to some people and get back to me on who that she would recommend that we could get this new stuff to.
Yeah.
Because the last stuff was taken out of her hands.
Yeah, I knew. Oh, you mate, I know. It's been covered up all the way through.
Yeah, it was completely taken out of her hands,
Yeah, I knew that. Why do you reckon I rang that day on public phone and said I can't pass it on? Because I was ticked off that Jennifer was going to be squashed.
Yeah.
And I didn't want...
She's not even part of the commission anymore, not part of the board. She was putting it up.
They pulled her out because she would have acted on it. Isn't that come real, mate?
They gave her a big payout too. They gave her $1 million payout.
Yeah.
Literally $1 million.
Yeah.
Who wouldn't pose it?
Yeah.
She had to go. No choice. She had to go. Yeah. Like they told her.
Yeah.
You either go with the golden handshake or you go without.
Yeah. So you can see why I didn't bring her back in there, and then I stopped the other stuff from going, because I knew, and that's why I put up on Facebook, and it was to Jennifer. I said, any of you police that are expecting the stuff I can't give it to you because it's going to go missing. When the right time's right, it'll come into the right hands. Oh, mate. So this is really huge, isn't it? And they know it's all true.
Yeah.
Isn't it bad when you're controlled by the bar, mate? This lawyer down Nola.
Not that it's any your fault, but you cannot follow through with it. It's going to fuck up your life. Well, if I give it to somebody who tells her they came from me, then yeah, possibly.
But she would have enough brains not to say that, because she knows how it works. So all I need is actually a contact and take you out of the picture, and they don't even have to know where it come from.
Well, as I said, I spoke to Jen last night.
Yeah.
And because I spoke to her the day before, whatever it was.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I spoke to her last night. She said that she would do make some inquiries and see who. She said, but she certainly advises me that with my dad not being serving anymore, I don't have the same level of protection as I did when he was serving. Because when he was director of ASIO, mate, no one fucked up. I couldn't pull over and speak to them.
Yeah.
That's who I was, and they go, mate, fuck off.
Yeah. But can you see how it's been lucky for me to be alive?
Yeah.
And it's only because I would not take protection and having my own protection act for.
Mate,
Anyone else would have been dead, gone missing a long time ago.
Yeah.
But I'm too switched off on for that.
Yeah.
But I've got mate, the stuff I gave you and Jen is nothing. Nothing.
Yeah.
Race rigging, it's everything, isn't it? High up, it's and I reckon Danny Ryan and Sue Burley was murdered because they were going to they started to give me stuff.
Well, what she suggested was you need to get to fucking you need to get to the ABC, you need to get to all the fucking news people.
They've been shut down.
And get them to come to you, but you need to get them talking again.
Yeah, see, they've been shut down. I've been there 60 minutes, 4 corners. I drove all the way to Sydney. Fucked me around. They pulled the pin at the last minute. And see, what happened too, mate, is my ex-partner was law enforcement, right? And she was a part of the plan to come in my life to take me out from the inside, is that right? She stole over 160 grand out of my bank. She stole my motorhome with the police, with my evidence, forged my signature, and they won't do nothing. Nothing the cops will do. I got all the documents. See, she was a part. She come in my life for 6 years to get me evidence. She was deleting stuff. What I'd do is I'd take the hard drives. She didn't know I took the hard drives and I'd copy them. See? So
how can somebody do an affidavit, fill out an affidavit, sign it, and then she witnessed it?
As a JP. And she was my partner.
Because she was law enforcement, she had to do that. Oh, be fun.
But being my partner?
Oh, yeah.
No.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
No, you can't.
Yeah.
You can't sign for someone that's in your family, see?
Yeah.
And she's,
It had to be somebody else outside of your direct family that had to sign it. Yeah, that's true, but but it depends if she was carrying your name or not too.
No, she wasn't.
No, she wasn't. And she's, so you got 6 years, you said?
Yeah. And you know what she done?
There's a fact that rule kicks in, so... Yeah.
But she's used my licence and JP'd it. It wasn't my signature.
No.
There was a copy of my licence. You know the biggest mistake she done? She done that in 2014. My licence, and it was dated 2012. Oh, they haven't picked that up yet. But I mean, no one wants to, who do I, you know what I mean? Who do I go? There's got to be someone out there. I even wrote to the Governor-General. What did he say? But no, we can't get involved in your issue. We can't get involved in your issue.
Sorry, we can't get involved. I have a look at the letter. It's only a 3-line thing.
Yeah.
Thank you for your blah, blah, blah. We cannot be involved with this. Thank you. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't reckon it got to fucking Cosgrove.
I reckon they squashed it before it got to his office, you know?
They might have mentioned it to him.
No, they wouldn't, because he would have done that.
No, they wouldn't have. They would have just stuck with his PA and
Yeah. I don't reckon he's got Peter. I think he would have dealt on this if he knew about it. And then when I was supposed to be down there, they locked me in the house, and they had cars sitting there. They've been terrorising the house, you know, and balaclavas and black.
So where's your house?
I'm over the north side, but I'm out now.
Did you sell it or?
No, I was only renting that one, yeah. So I had to go back and hit me ex for half the house of that, you know. Yeah, it's 400,000 too, but yeah. Isn't it amazing that orders come from the judge in West Australia? That's crazy, isn't it? Not even Queensland. So does that tell you that there's
Have you seen a lot of them?
yeah, everywhere. Yeah, I know, but I'm saying about the order, saying for Matt to stay out of it.
Yeah.
You know, that's wrong. Matt, you're getting in the law, and your family's been in the law,
And it's
doing a good job.
That's why Chief Justice, mate, not any sort of fucking lawyer, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court.
So, Matt, what is scaring? What part of my stuff is scaring?
Well, what gets me is that, judges are paid regardless, right? So they're paid regardless of whatever happens, because they're not supposed to be... The mandate that you swear when you become a barrister or a judge is to rule without fear or favour.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter. So your money's always protected, and you can't be prosecuted for what you do.
Yeah.
So for a Chief Justice to get involved, there's something, you know, like it's bigger than being hurt.
Boy, it is. Yeah, I always knew that, mate.
So anyway,
Yeah,
so,
I understand.
like, live with his banner?
No,
I can have jabbed somebody.
No, I've still got, I never handed in on one, I've still got another one of them. The missus, well, we've taken her out heaps of times, and, you know, I've got a little 22 target pistol that she's got in the car all the time, but that's from my previous life more than anything, but it's always there.
So can you say, well, then lead me in the right direction without... I reckon she will, don't you?
I can't vouch for her. You know, I only know her from being my uni lecturer, and then also from the fact that she was heading up the
Yeah.
You know, so like, I've got no idea, you know, is she fucking 100% honest or not? I can't tell you that.
Yeah. Remember I said to you
I don't want to vouch for her. I want to vouch for her.
No.
If she's 100% honest, we're not she's about to be a fucking other shot.
No, we don't know
took a
what
payout.
Or she took a golden handshake on
Well,
it. She got paid 2.6 million to head up the commission, then got another million to fucking leave it. So she got 3.5 million for fucking 9 months' work.
Yeah.
9 months' work.
And see, I
Get out, shut up. It could be nobody.
I hand-delivered the stuff to the government, the Attorney General, see?
Yeah.
And they're the ones that covered up when the commission was on to kick out the 13. It all makes sense to me, mate. Now you've really opened my eyes up. Now I realise that now. And, you know, I'm not dirty on the ones that didn't act, because I knew that they were squashed on, you know. When do you reckon she was going to get back? Can I just pop in and see you again? And if you
Well, I'm not here for the next couple of weeks.
All right.
I've got business to do in Victoria that, you know, for my own thing that I'm starting up, my own idea that I've got going. So I'm trying to get Kmart to buy it. I need to go down to Kmart and see them and blah, blah, blah.
Most of these guys are fucking jumpers and shirts, and I used to live in Victoria, man.
Yes, I'm from Vic originally.
Yeah, man.
Cold.
I've got a mate down there at the moment, and it's fucking was 16 on Wednesday. 16 in the fucking day temperature.
That's probably very fast.
Is it? Oh, yeah. Can I ask you something, a question, right?
Yeah.
There's a detective, like, when I intervened into Petrie, the detective rang one of the mates up and said that he wanted to meet him somewhere away from the police station. His name's Mark. Do you reckon that could be a trap?
No.
You don't? Or makes you say that?
If he wants to meet you away from the police station, he obviously wants to have a chat with you.
True.
If he's setting as a trap, then he'll tell you where, when, blah, blah, all this sort of shit. And you just say to him, yeah, look, you come and meet me here. Yeah. Then he'll come and meet you. Yeah, right. And fucking, you know, just say to him.
And one they said that he said he'll meet me anywhere away from the police station.
Yeah, he did.
So, yeah. So it'd be a good one.
Other way around, if they say, yeah, look, sure, mate, meet us up at the back of the Banger State Forest at 9 o'clock. You know you're not coming home.
Yeah, you got to get a fucking bigger weapon.
Well, mate, thanks anyway, buddy, and that's why I stayed away and keep you safe.
I'll put that other stuff safe at home.
Yeah.
Our safe is because Dad's a fucking...
Right, guys, you can see what's going on now. I put the transcript up there a few days back, but they've gone into my iPad and blocked it all down. They've stopped all my emails, so I can't get out to work. So I've had to put this up now. I need help from the public. Like, we're talking here about taxpayers' money. You know, $3.5 million or something, taxpayers' money. And by now, you must know there's more going on. I'm not protecting any lawyers, no police, nothing anymore. I've never been protected. I've lost over 18 dogs. I've lost equipment, stolen money at the bank. Been 4 hits on me now, knocked unconscious 4 times. So now I'm not hiding it anymore. Whoever I've gone to, you know, I want them investigated. I want Jennifer O'Farrell to be talked to. And I want this Barr student to be talked to. I want that judge. I want that judge held accountable in West Australia. And all the judges in Queensland and all the lawyers and all the police that didn't act on my evidence, all the stuff, the MPs, the senators, I'm coming after every one of you. I've had enough. I need to get back to work to save the animals. I've got at least 4 dogs paralysed out there and I can't go anywhere near them, because I'm still being attacked and followed. So I need the public, please share this to everyone you can, and let's open the inquiry into the law in Queensland and the task force into the greyhound baiting scandal, and why Jennifer O'Farrell was ordered to take $1 million to stand down after she received my evidence. And you heard the Barr student there say that he got the tap on the shoulders by lawyers, and he's also had a personal tap on the shoulder by the judge in West Australia, Supreme Court judge. So, see guys, if you don't believe it now, there's something wrong. This could happen to you or your family or any of your loved ones. And there's been no one out there that's helped me, but I've always been there for every animal. I'm not doing the animals now until this is over, unless you start sharing my stuff. I'm sorry, but I can't do it anymore. I have no money and I've got no protection.